Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search for guided trips of your selected destination on the Get Your Guide application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the Discover button, and then you should click on the Where are you going section at the top, then type in your destination. After that, you should slide to the right side in the middle and click on the Guided Tours button. And here you can see a bunch of guided tour options, but you can apply filters if you want to narrow down your search. So here below the destination you can find this filter button in the right side, and you can apply filters in terms of time. In terms of destination, you can add more than one, as you can see. You can also add interests, and categories can be selected. You can also indicate the price range on this slide. Then the spoken languages can be set to, and the duration, services, departs from, things to do, and after that click on the Show Results button down below, and then you will be able to select from the relevant options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.